Introduction to Monitoring System. Parameter Settings. In this section, we introduce parameter settings for common protocols. The first is SNMP. It has some important parameters such as IP address, subnet mask, and gateway. The IP address of a computer is its only identifier on the network. On any network, each IP address must be unique. A subnet mask is used by the server to differentiate the network segment of an IP address. A default gateway refers to the default machine through which clients search on the network. These three parameters are very important for the SNMP protocol. Next is Modbus. This protocol also requires that some parameters be set. Here we can see that if a device needs to be connected to the NMS over an RS485 monitoring cable, users must select the Modbus RTU protocol. Then, users set the baud rate based on actual conditions. The rate must be the same as that on the NMS, and the communication address is planned for a device. The NMS uses this address to communicate with the device. For example, if a group has two air conditions, their addresses can be set to 1 and 2 respectively. Next, let's look at dry contact. Dry contact can usually be enabled or disabled. There is no polarity between two lines of dry contacts, and they can be exchanged. Here, we can see some dry contact signals are disabled. That's all for this section. Thanks for watching.